After so much effort by so many people and so much planning and so much time, it was really a very special moment for me, and to the point of close to a tear in the eye to finally get that first Icecore. Yeah.
So we sort of left in more or less blizzard conditions. For some of those days we were only doing 30 kilometres a day. It is quite an interesting experience. You're sort of in this bubble, protective bubble out in the middle of nowhere, and you know, a lot of the time the scenery is pretty much the same.
The number one priority was to try and progress the pilot drilling of the borehole, but in order to do that we first needed to set up the drill shelter, which we expected to take sort of 14 to even up to 20 days. The Traverse team just totally joined forces with us, and it went up really quickly, so in 10 days we had the drill shelter up. So the Traverse team joined us in drilling and in core processing, and that worked really well, and it meant that we could run for 16 hours a day and get through the job in kind of half the time that was planned.
Some of us, like myself, were doing core, measuring cores and taking down data on cores and packing them up and wrapping them up, putting them in, you know, packing them away to be sent back. Other folks, some of the mechanics were right involved with the actual drilling, checking, you know, to make sure the drill's running properly.
Next year the aim is to get to 400 metres, and a lot of next season is this setup work, building the big drill, installing the big winch. But the seasons after that, when the drill is fully set up, the target is 1,000 metres per year, which puts us on track to finish the borehole, reach bedrock, which is at just over 3 kilometres, in season 28-29. We'll start analysis and cutting of the ice cores this year, including measurements of the water isotopes for temperature, impurities for information on things like storminess and sea ice and volcanic activity, and for the greenhouse gases, methane, CO2 and the isotopes of those that tell us about changes over time.